So what happens when your amplifier has 2 channels of RCA input, but your aftermarket radio only has 1 channel of RCA output? What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. And today I'm gonna show you how you can go from 1 channel of output into a 2-channel amplifier. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing or following, because these are the things that we do here at the channel. Anything car audio or install related, that's what the channel is about. So we're going to keep this short, sweet, straight to the point. You guys are going to need a Y splitter. Now the Y splitter comes in 2 different ways. You can do 1 female to 2 males, or you can do 1 male to 2 female. I'm going to show you how to hook both of them up. If you have the 1 female to 2 males, we will go in on our amplifier with the 2 male ends. And on the female end, we will get 1 single RCA and run that to our single subwoofer output. So this will be a way that you can actually do it if you want to Y split it at the amplifier, but 9 times out of 10 you're not going to get 1 single RCA that runs from the front of the radio all the way to the back wherever your amp is going to be mounted. So we will probably want to utilize the other option. So next we have the 1 male to 2 female. That way we can put our single channel behind the radio and then run our 17-foot, these are some Stinger RCAs, and then we can run that all the way through the car going back there to the amplifier. And that's going to be about it. I hope you guys like this quick little informational. If you did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, have a blessed day. Peace.